Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl & Company. Today we're gonna unbox and review Arc Lighting's Monster LED Performance Headlight Bulbs. Arc Lighting provides the highest quality technology and cutting-edge design at a reasonable price. Let's check it out. Most vehicles come straight out the factory with halogen headlights, and it can be pretty costly to upgrade those lights. And a cost-effective way to do that is to replace just the bulb with Arc Lighting's LED headlight kits. Now, we've replaced the factory bulbs in this Jeep JL with a set of Extreme Series bulbs. And if you're looking for the brightest monster of all, it's the Extreme Series LED headlight bulb. The Extreme Series bulbs can produce up to 5 times the light output of stock halogen bulbs. The Extreme Series LED bulbs use automotive-grade LED chips that are paired with the patent cooling technology. This innovative design makes for a beast of a headlight at 10,000 lumens per kit, 45 watts per bulb, and 6,500K temperature color. You don't have to worry about these bulbs overheating thanks to the VacPipe vacuum heat pipe cooling technology. The vacuum liquid heat pipe pulls produced heat from the circuit board 3 times more effectively than conventional heat sink designs. Arc has engineered these bulbs with cooling fans designed to be as compact as possible. They're designed to match your stock bulbs as close as possible and will fit in even the tightest places. They are also compatible with most reflector and projector housings. So on Dodge, Ram, and Jeep models, you will need an upgraded all-in-one decoder harness. This helps prevent your dash bulb out warnings and also flickering of your bulb. Arc Lighting's all-in-one harnesses are the highest quality solution on the market for normal or complicated electronic situations. These decoders install quickly by plugging the harness module into the vehicle's headlight connector. We appreciate you watching today as we unboxed and reviewed Arc Lighting's Monster Performance LED Headlight Kit. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, installations, and reviews like this.